One eternity later. A few moments later.
Indot ta mo gani ko pakita ka niyo.
Ganahan kay ko.
Pakita ni mo lagi ni beauty. No hayag lagi ta no.
No, nice kayo. Go pa kay gani ha.
Pati kay kay ba.
Oh, arang ta sa screen tawa pa ka. Ikaw
Hello
naman.
guys.
Do arang kay tapak na.
Hello guys, we're going to Filipino food store.
tabang ba niya naguntol-untol yung ibaga. Ay, gigutom na ko guys. Gusla na.
Pusla na siya guys.
Kaya wadyo mining kaon.
Sa may imong kaonon. Lechon?
Lechon. What is lechon? Basta number 1 gulay.
Gulay. Yeah.
A few moments later.
We're going here inside the Filipino store. We're gonna eat. Lina, let's go.
A few moments later.
No rice.
Kuhan ka dong. Charon. Hindi ka na magkapak na.
But if you got it with just rice and then 2 quantities, it would be less than noodles. That's what it is.
A few moments later.
Makatambok sa utin. Una akong binahon. Hala, gabidyo pa dyan tunog ko.
Kuan kag coffee ko.
Ha?
Coffee ko. Murag ginahawlan ni mo kuha lang sa. Uy, ibutang diri oh. Philippines ba? Ay, convert ni mo pak na o palit ka diri?
Di, uy.
Oh. Nag-convert pa ka.
Di, uy. Ako yun.
One eternity later.
You're so hungry. You want that?
Michael wants spare too, Daddy.
Don't give him one. I'm working on baby.
Okay.
There's one that a bad spot you gotta cut out.
Okay. Okay, na dito.
2. You did good.
Just about.
Everybody, mommy. See, mommy like the heart of the whole family. Everybody, mommy. Huh?
Like Michael, Mommy.
Daddy's like,
I miss you, Mommy.
yeah. This one won't even eat it without mommy.
Mommy,
You can tell Daddy choose the milk, and I'll give you milk. Okay? That's all you have to do is tell Daddy choose the
Daddy,
milk.
I got new things,
Go on,
Daddy.
it's avocado.
Mama, help me again. There have passwords in it.
Yeah, Michael.